Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College Pune. Subject Information Technology, Standard 11th Science. Video created and presented by Mr. Nitin Vadgure. Today we are going to start part 1 of chapter 1, Basic of Information Technology, Standard 11th Science. Dear students, in this chapter 1, we will learn definition of IT and ICT to understand concepts like data and information, various concepts used under IT, different types of operating systems with its features and uses, architecture of computer system, units of memory, concepts related to internet and network with its types, and in last, recent trades, IT enabled services and careers in IT. Let's start with an introduction to IT, that is information technology. Information technology has great influence on all aspects of life. Almost all workplaces and living environments are being computerized, and the use of information technology is being enhanced. Nowadays, in almost all the areas, whether it is private sector or government sectors, information technology is used. That's why it is a part of our daily life. Definition of information technology. Information technology encompasses all of the technologies that we use in order to create, collect, process, protect and store information. It refers to hardware, software means computer programs, and computer networks. Means information technology is a process of creating, collecting, processing, protecting, sending, receiving and storing information from one place to the another place. Means all work of information technology is done through the internet. Or you can say information technology is the connection of hardware, software and different computer networks. ICT, Information and Communication Technology, concepts involves transfer and use of all kinds of information. ICT is the foundation of economy and a driving force of social changes in the 21st century. Distance is no longer an issue when it comes to accessing information. For example, work from home, distance learning, e-banking and e-governance are now possible from any place with an internet connection and a computing device. Means distance is no longer an issue when it comes to accessing information, and it is possible because of information and communication technology. You can easily transfer your information from one place to another place all over the world through the internet. Let's see data and information. It is being said that the term data and information are interchangeable and mean the same thing. However, they are not same and there is a difference between the two words. Data is different and information is different. Data can be any character, text, word, number or raw facts. However, information is data formatted in a manner that allows it to be utilized by human being in some significant way. In simple word, meaningful data is called as information. When you arrange your data systematically, it forms information. Means information is a formatted data. In the above example, the data appears to be a set of random words and numbers. However, when that data is interpreted, organized, and formatted, one can tell that it is contact information of a person named as XYZ. Means when you arrange the raw data, it may be a character, text, word, or numbers. You when arrange this data in a systematic way, you will get the information. Means meaningful data is called as information. Need of information. Information is required to take short-term and long-term decisions and also to make strategic decisions in an organization. Since we live in the information age, information technology has become a part of our everyday life. So, if you want to take a right and correct decision, information is required and you can take easily short-term and long-term decisions. Nowadays, all the work is going through the internet and it is possible because of information technology. That's why we can say that information technology has become a part of our everyday life. Various concepts used under IT. Before getting started, let us learn some of the important concepts used under information technology. Let's see what is computer. The word computer is derived from a Latin word computere, which means to calculate, to count, to sum up, or to think together. A computer is an electronic device which accepts input from the user, processes it according to the instructions given to it, and gives the required result in the form of output is a computer. Or you can say a computer is an electronic device which performs arithmetic and logical operations at very high speed and store data into the memory. That stored data can be retrieved as per your requirement. Next term is computer system. A computer can process data, images, audio, video, and graphics. A computer performs 5 major computer operations or functions irrespective of their size and make. These are: first, it accepts data or instructions by way of input. Second, it stores data. Third, it can process data as required by the user. Fourth, it gives results in the form of output. And last function is it controls all operations inside a computer. So, a computer performs these 5 major operations, or you can say functions. And to perform these 5 operations, computer system use its input unit, memory unit, output unit, control unit, arithmetic and logical unit, and other units which are interconnected to each other. This figure 1 shows computer system and peripherals. All these peripherals or components are interconnected to each other. Let's see one by one. Monitor, an output device that lets you see your work as you go. Monitor is also called as input and output device. Keyboard, the principal input device used to type instructions into the computer. Mouse, a pointing device used to make on-screen selections. Speakers, used to produce audio output. It is output device. Microphone, used to get spoken input. It is input device. CDs, DVDs, and disc. It is commonly used to deliver programs and store large multimedia files. So these are the store device, means secondary memory devices. CD, DVD drive. It is used to read CDs or DVD disc. Flash memory. It is used to capture either still pictures or motion videos. Card reader used to read flash memory card. Hard drive located inside the system unit and used to store program and data. Printer. It produces printed copies of computer output. It is a computer device used to get the output. It is output device. USB ports to connect the pen drives. USB devices. System unit, the case that contains the CPU, memory, the power supply, disk drives, and all other hardware such as a modem that are in an internal format. You can also use the external modems also. So this figure contains a peripheral devices which are interconnected to each other to perform a 5 major computer operations. In our next part, we will discuss about architecture of computer, 3 basic components of computer system, that is input unit, central processing unit, and output unit. We will discuss all these units of computer by using the block diagram of a computer. Thank you.